Let's talk about one particular company which really was one of the broader market gainers yesterday. SMS Pharma is the next management on the show. The reason the stock is in focus is because the FDA has approved a reformulated version of the acid reflux, very popular acid reflux drug, Ranitidine, or popularly branded by some companies as Rantac as well, from its associate company, VKT Pharma. So to talk more about this, we have with us Vamsi Krishna Potluri, who is the Executive Director of SMS Pharma, joining in. Vamsi, hi, thank you very much for taking the time out. So you've received approval to manufacture the API of the reformulated Ranitidine. Is that correct?
No, actually, we've received the approval to manufacture the finished dosage of the product, which is the tablets, and along with that, the API, which goes into the formulation. Yeah.
So you'll be manufacturing the API as well as the finished dosage.
That's right.
All right. Just give us a sense in terms of how exactly this drug is reformulated. Just to, apprise our viewers, this particular drug was withdrawn from the US markets because of fears of it having a carcinogen NDMA present in it. So that's the reason why it was, it stopped being sold in the US markets, but now it's reintroduced. So just give us a sense in terms of what the difference is, and do you expect as much of a pickup in the US markets as there was earlier?
So coming back to so FDA has banned this product 5 years back, citing the reasons of NDMA for carcinogenic. But now we've liaised with the agency, we've complied with all their strict regulations, and now we've delivered the product that is very good in terms of controlling this NDMA throughout the shelf life of the product. And now the agency has given approval for us to relaunch the product. It's been a 6-year wait, and finally, after undergoing severe at different conditions, we've reformulated the product at different extreme conditions. We've tested the product, and when found okay, when we submitted all this data to the agency, I think finally we've received an approval.
So what does this mean?
Coming back to your point with respect to the market share, see, before the product was taken off, it was approximately around 400 million tablets per annum was the market share on this product. I mean, it was a 5-year lag because there's no other ranitidine in the market, right from the innovator to no generic players in the market since last 5 years. So definitely this market share has moved on to other products, but yes, it will definitely come back, but we have to wait and watch. It's a slow growth, but we have to try and bring some market share back.
So from an SMS Pharma standpoint, that's the question, right? How much do you expect this to contribute to your revenues once you start supplying it, and what is the likely scale up going to be from here on?
Correct. So with respect, we will be starting slow, obviously, because it takes time to build the brand and time to get the trust of the customers back. Again, we would like to re-emphasize that the product that we've recreated, the reformulated ranitidine, is very safe, and it's much lower than the guidelines requested for the NDMA at various stress conditions as well. So this is a very strong product, and it'll take time for the customers to, get over this fact, but we know they'll come to terms with this.
Okay. What's the competition pipeline like for Ranitidine in the US markets in the foreseeable future? I know you currently have the strongest market, you're the only player, but what's the pipeline like? Who are the other filers?
So right now, we are the only vertical integrated player on this product where we do the API and the formulation. So definitely, maybe it'll easily take our competitors at least 2 to 3 years, because they have to go through the same rigorous process that we went through of redeveloping this product. But yeah, if anyone enters, it'll probably be 2 or 3 players is my guess.
Okay. What I'm trying to understand, Vamsi, is basically whether you're expecting that kind of market to come back for Ranitidine. Because if you see globally as well, because of the issues that had taken place 5 years ago, though the other countries had not, withdrawn the product, there was a shift to other acid reflux drugs simply because of the fear of NDMA in Ranitidine. So do you think that has Ranitidine in other markets actually declined over the years, and hence that gives you an assessment in terms of what it would be like in the US?
No, I think it's just about the fear of, having this carcinogenic impurity. So now a strong regulatory agency like the FDA endorsing this product, I think will definitely give a lot of relief to few other countries where this product, we will definitely see ranitidine picking up in the next few months, actually, as we speak. In various other countries. And again, as you rightly said, it's very difficult to get back that entire market that we lost, but it's a slow process. It's a slow process that, we can start and probably we'll get there someday, but it's definitely a slow process.
Let's talk beyond ranitidine as well. You have given us a growth target of 20% in FY26 with 20% margins as well. Halfway mark, you are pretty much on track to achieve that. Just a word on Ibuprofen. You are planning to scale it up from 450 tons per month to about 1,000. How much would that mean in terms of incremental revenue for you, and by when?
So when we hit 1,000 tons per month, so that will probably contribute close to 650 crores of top line revenue for SMS.
And
just on Ibuprofen, isn't it already quite a widely penetrated market?
Yes, it is a widely penetrated market. We are the latest entrants on this product, but we were able to get good market share across the world. In US, we have almost 60% market share. In Europe, we have big customers lined up. So we are getting market share month by month. We are going incrementally month by month.
All right, we take that point. Thank you so much for joining in. And just missed this point on by when will it turn to 1,000 per month?
So it will probably be from April. We will complete the project by April. So yes, from April on, it will be 1,000 tons per month.
Vamsi, always a pleasure speaking with you. With that, we'll take a short break, come back, get you more of the markets and a lot of stock-specific action. The markets actually picked pace once again. The mid-cap index back in the green. Stay with us.